morning, ladies. This is Anastasia, your feminine energy coach, and I just want to drop in really quickly here and just say that, you know, if you want the most efficient, probably the most efficient and the most visual and the most and the quickest way to learn about the feminine nature is to go to either a butterfly sanctuary or insect sanctuary or bird sanctuary. You can do even animal one, but where you can be provided with a lecture, provided with a lecture, and learn about insect and bird and animal behavior in the mating season. And if they don't touch on it, just ask about, can you please elaborate on mating season? You will learn everything you need to know about how a woman should act and what is expected of a male counterpart to be done to conquer her. It's just fascinating. Or just watch a documentary on birds and, like, I don't know, mating season. You will see everything you need to know, especially in birds. It's so fascinating how the males have to do so much. They have to do the dance, and they have to show their feathers, and they have to, you know, assume different, like, variations in, you know, in positions, and they have to present themselves in such a way and make noises. It's just so beautiful. And the female species in the birds world, they're just kind of, not all of them, but some of them are just regular and gray and not really colorful. They're not really, just basically, they're not doing anything. They're not providing a lot of work. They're not doing anything to attract the male. It's the male who is putting in all the work and doing everything to deserve her attention, you know? So in my humble opinion, that's the best way to just see it and observe how Mother Nature made us in such a beautiful way. And then you won't have any more questions, or you won't need any more, you know, like asking people for advice. What should I say? What should I do? Should I call? Should I text? How many texts? What should I? All of this will disappear, because you have a real nature-made example of how this is supposed to go down, and embody that, relax into that. And, you know, I mean, yes, you can take courses and you can do all those things with feminine energy, but to see it in real life like that, that is an amazing opportunity. So this is what happened to me when I went to a butterfly sanctuary in Costa Rica. I was lucky enough to be provided with an amazing lecture, and then I was kind of curious and I asked about the mating season, and I told the guy that actually I'm doing a YouTube, you know, channel about feminine energy, and he was like, oh, no way. He was so on board with that. He was just so, he's like, yeah, everything is already there. I don't know why humans try to, you know, change it, or just try to act in a different way and be opposite of how Mother Nature created. He was completely on board with everything that we discussed, and how, you know, how male behavior is, how female behavior. He's like, yeah, that's exact same in life, but we're just trying to butcher it, and, you know. But anyways, it was a really cool experience. This is where I learned that, at least in the butterfly world, the female, she just kind of randomly passes through sometimes. She doesn't do anything. She's just not like, she's all about herself. She's just passing by. And then there is a bunch of males that are just swirling around and, you know, trying to get her attention and start flopping their wings and make noises and make this and that. And she might experience that and let me know how it went. Bye.